Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome to Scotties Hobbies, your hub for everything automotive and much more. My name is Scott, and I am stoked that you are here along for the ride. Here at Scotties Hobbies, our main focus is to keep your car running strong on the road like a champion. If you have a pesky check engine light that's haunting your drive, fear not. We've got an extensive video library dedicated to OBD2 code diagnosis, repairs, and tips to get your vehicle running back in its prime. Need brakes? You found the right place as well. I have a plethora of videos of step-by-step instructions on how to perform brake pad and rotor replacements on your vehicle. I don't just cover the basics, I go over everything. I include the tools you'll need, how to use those tools, and also give you the utmost or evermost important torque specifications when it comes to tightening up your brakes. I'm going to give you all the knowledge you need to perform the best BJ on your vehicle it has ever seen. I will get you there. Because let's face it, attention to details matter when it comes to the safety and performance of your vehicle. But wait, Scotties Hobbies isn't all about greasing gears. Family is the heart of everything we do. Join in on our family escapades, from adventures to sharing our experiences that we have at places we go. Because let's face it, life isn't all about what's under the hood. So whether you're here for the nitty-gritty automotive maintenance, getting ready for your next brake job to do the perfect BJ on your vehicle, or checking out the family adventures, you are now a part of the Scotties Hobbies family. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the community. Stay tuned for some upcoming exciting content. I'm Scott, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Let's buckle up and hit the road together.